In this video, I wanted to do a 1-year review of my Mr. Cool 18,000 BTU mini split system. And in case you're looking to purchase something similar to this, I want to give you some pros and cons, things that you may have not known about when it comes to the Mr. Cool unit. And hopefully it'll help you to make an informed decision as far as purchasing one or not. All right, so if you saw my installation video, you probably saw me install this unit in my garage. So far, everything has been functioning perfectly on this unit. As you can see, everything turned out really nice and flush. Currently, we're blowing a lot of air out of the vents. Currently, we're blowing about 700 CFM. Our temperature is raising on this top test CFM meter at a max of about 118 degrees coming out of the vents. Super nice and warm air coming out. As you can see, it's beautiful. It's very flush. There's no lines that are sticking out and making it ugly. The fan has been blowing amazing. I've used this throughout this past summer and this winter, and it is blowing really hot right now. If I had to guess, probably 130 degrees or so. As you can see, we have the digital display. Everything functions on Wi-Fi, so I can turn this on from inside my home, which is really nice. In the year of owning this unit, I've only had to clean these filters once, and they stay pretty clean. But obviously, if you have pets and such, you'll have to clean these out more often. As you can hear, it is extremely quiet. I don't have to talk over this unit. This is the little thing that allows you to have Wi-Fi. It's just a little plug-in USB thing. As you can see, we're able to pull up the app here and turn on our mini split from any location, which is a really nice advantage to having the Wi-Fi feature. We can also set a schedule here in the app, as well as on the bottom right here, we have a list of different actions that have been taken. And so we can actually diagnose if something is going on with the mini split with all of these actions that are broken down time-wise. Very pleased with this. I'll show you the outside unit. As you can see right now, there is a ton of snow on the ground, and this is just pumping out heat, no problem. As you can see, it is a winter wonderland out here. Apologize for my dirty backyard. So as you can see, our unit out here is running, just pumping out ice cold air. A lot of snow built up on top here. As long as it's not covering your coil, I probably should have put this up on pads. As you can see, the bottom portion there is a little bit covered in snow. But hindsight is 20/20. And this pipe here is super hot, so it's working like it should. As you can tell, it's also extremely quiet. I can't ever tell it's out here and running, which is an added bonus as well. So a couple of things that you should know: when this goes into defrost mode, it does make some gurgling, sloshing noises. So if you hear that, it's totally normal, but it is a little bit noisy. One of the downsides of having one of these mini splits. Now, as you can see, I'm working on finishing my garage. It's kind of a mess on this end of it. But one thing that I noticed with the Mr. Cool mini split is that even with it on turbo mode, I could be sitting trying to film a video or something, and I could tell a temperature difference on the lower portion of the garage. Just so you know, if this is in a home, it's gonna be better insulated than a garage. I'm currently working on getting new doors put in here, but as you can see, we've got some air gaps and cool air naturally settles. So just keep that in mind. Funny thing is, I've had this demo furnace that I've been creating videos with, and this air gets pushed up to the ceiling and goes back down. And anytime I'm running that furnace, it's not cool down here. But when I just have the mini split, I do notice that it's a little bit cooler lower down. Now, something else to be aware of is if you're using the app, it will coordinate with the unit itself. But say I just bump this up to 72, you don't hear an audible beep from that unit. And as you can see, it's still set to 70. Now, what you actually have to do is physically point it, and when you go up to 73, you'll hear an audible beep, and that's how you know it actually locked in. But if you go over here and you bump it down to 70, okay, we heard it beep that time, but if it's on the wall, and we go to 69, we don't hear that audible beep. So just keep that in mind. You need to hear that beep in order for it to lock into that temperature. One other thing that I've seen a lot of people ask about this unit is they'll say, why does the fan never turn off? Now, I just went outside and this system is satisfied as far as the temperature here. I think it's set to 70 degrees. The unit outside is off, but this fan will continue to run and circulate air, and that is actually part of the design. It's designed to where this fan runs all the time. Why they designed it that way, I'm not sure, but there's nothing wrong with this unit if it continues to run and run. My uncle has the Mr. Cool 12,000 BTU in his mother-in-law suite, and that fan runs 24/7 and has been running that way for the past 3 years with zero problems. As long as you keep them maintained, you should be golden and you don't have to worry about that fan running all the time. It's still extremely efficient compared to a lot of other systems. And that fan circulating all the time makes sure that that space is comfortable no matter what. Now, if you're looking to purchase a system like this, whether it's the Mr. Cool or an ACIQ mini split system, a wonderful resource for that is HVAC Direct. They have a great sizing guide that shows you what type of system you'll need for the particular space that you're looking to install it at. And in addition to their already great pricing, use my discount code in the video description to get an additional 3% off of your order from HVAC Direct. Now, if you want to see the actual installation of this mini split, check out this video right here, and we're going to walk you through that process and show you how easy this system was to put in. Until next time, you guys, be safe. Later.